Ogun State Governor Dapo Abiodun on Friday flagged off the construction of 70-kilometer Abeokuta-Ifo-Ota Lagos Expressway with a pledge to complete it in 18 months. Abiodun, who performed the flag-off at Itori, Ewekoro local government area, noted that the road is significantly not only to Ogun State but also to Lagos State and the nation, as it provides a thoroughfare for people going to the neighboring country. It will recall that the attempt to reconstruct the road was first conceived in 2019, but all efforts to convince the federal government to release the road to Ogun State government proved abortive. He also said the plan for the reconstruction of this road did not just start today because we have the interest of our people at heart. We know this is a federal government road, and the state had to follow the due process before getting the required approval to commence the reconstruction. This road was awarded in 2003, but since then it has suffered insufficient funding, resulting in contractors working and many times abandoning the road at times for a year, by when the road would have suffered degradation. Our people have suffered too much traveling on this road, but today hope is renewed. He explained the excuse in the past was that there was an existing contract on the road and that the best his government could do at that time was to carry out palliative works on the critical section along the road axis. The governor also described the road as the second busiest in the country apart from the Lagos-Ibadan Expressway. Some of the roads that in Lagos that has been abandoned, or the road connecting Lagos to other states has been abandoned. Many road construction like that has been abandoned, but people usually don't talk about them because they feel the local government are meant to do or walk this road. In as much as this road might be a state-owned road or a federal road, always speaking out is actually the best way to create awareness. The governor of Ogun State is now complaining too much because the road was meant to be repaired since 2003, but it has been forgotten for over 2 decades now, and this road has been linking the express from Lagos to Ogun State, making it easier for commuters to connect both roads. In as much as the Ogun State to Lagos Express isn't that the biggest or one of the major roads, but it is a road that connects two big states. Ogun State is not really a small state in Nigeria, neither is Lagos. Lagos being the biggest and also the economic hub of Nigeria, the road connecting Lagos to other states should always be in good form and also in best of its management form. So, talking about this road construction, and also if there's any other thing that could be done to help improve the road quality, I will advise the government should also work towards it. I made a video concerning the Badagry Expressway that was built in Lagos. This road actually took longer than it was meant to be, but luckily it was completed during the year 2024, and some damages that were also done during the road construction because they usually demarcate this road, building some parts and letting commuters use one part of the road while construction is still going on the other side. So during this process, why commuters are using only one part of the road tends to get some damages from excess use and continuous usage. So after they complete the other side, they have to do some reconstruction and rehabilitation to make sure both roads are leveled. The Lagos to Badagry Expressway currently is in good form and in good shape, and people are really happy about the construction. So we hope they could do better concerning the Lagos to Ogun State Express, which is also one of the major roads connecting both states together. I don't know if this video will get to the governor or the federal people in power, but I hope this touches someone who is in the construction agency. I'll try my best to tag them on the video and also do my best to make sure I publish this video to go more viral and also help create awareness. Nonetheless, my name is Emmanuel Bernard and I create content every day and I do amazing construction videos. I hope you find this video interesting, helpful, and also educating. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Once again, I just want to say a happy new year to you all and welcome to the best year that we are yet to see. See you on the next video. For now, keep it blessed, keep it locked up, and have a peaceful day ahead.